we've recently just acquired this car. Just want to say thanks to the guys at Exclusive Motors GB. They've been absolutely amazing. The process of buying a car is so simplistic, it's unbelievable. If you find a car anywhere else, you'd be silly not to go with these guys. Just please go with these guys. If they have your car in stock, just go with them. They're the best service I've ever had. They gave us even hot towels when we came to have a look at the car. They introduced us and it was just amazing. So thank you so much, guys.